Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I am going to open the Fat Quarter Shop Sampler box for February. This is a monthly subscription. I did it almost all last year, and then I quit. I think in November. I thought, oh, I'm going to quit for a while, and not too long ago, I thought, you know what, I want to get it again, so I signed back up. And like I said, so you can join and for as long as you want. Anyway, this is the February box. It's called Milk and Meadows, February 2026 Sampler box. Ooh, lots of goodies in here. And with the Sampler box, you always get free patterns, and then there's a code. For this one, there is a code that goes till the end of March, and it was for a code to get 15% off layer cakes. That code's just for me. And then let's see, there's a free layer cake pattern in here. So let's see what's in the box. First, you always have your little information brochure. And let's see, what should we start out with? Olfa Endurance 45 millimeter rotary blades. You can never have too many blades. And I like all sizes. I like the 45 millimeter. I like the bigger. I like the smaller. So I'm always tickled to have them because I seem to go through them pretty fast. So the value on this is $13.48. And there's one. Yep, there's only one in here. Wow, let's see. Like slicing butter on a farmhouse table, the Olfa Endurance 45 millimeter rotary blade makes cutting smooth and satisfying. Designed to last up to twice as long as standard blades. So that's good. Surprised there's only one. But yep, there's only one in there. Okay. And then, what I see? Something. I love rulers. And I have lots of rulers. I don't have this one. This is a 1.5 by 2.5 inch ruler from Olfa. That is just really cute. Do I need it? Probably not. But do I like it? Yes. And the value on this is $9.49. And I wonder, they probably have a pattern or something that uses them, but that's cute. I like it. And Creative Grids rulers are nice. We have the fabric, but let's see. Here we have, this is 6-inch vintage Milkmaid Star quilt block. And this makes 6-inch blocks, and it's paper piecing. So those are neat, and that's a beautiful little block. And let's see, that one, the value on them is $13.98. And of course, the fabric will go for that. This is a Lori Holt fabric, and it's called Farmer's Daughter. And I love her fabrics. Last year, she has a monthly club that you can do for Lori Holt, and I got that all last year. So I got several tins over there, or totes of fabric I need to use. Plus, I'm doing her vintage Christmas. So let's see if I can get this apart. And let me see. The value on this is $24.98 because there are 24 pieces in here. Got it. So they are pretty. And I'll do a overhead so that you can see the colors. Those are beautiful. Also, there's a pattern. There's a table runner pattern, and it's butter churn. Butter churn. See back there, and that is to use these. So I might have to do that because that's cute. And it's always fun to, I don't do a lot of paper piecing, but when I do it, it's enjoyable. I like doing it, other than I make a mess. And then there is the monthly quilt block, which since I'm starting a little late, I don't have the other ones. I don't know. Is this is block 11. So that means there'll be a new one starting pretty soon. So that is what is in the February box. The pattern, I think the value on that is $9.98. And this one is $4.98. So I think this box is always a good value. It's a lot of times it's really good for someone that is new for quilting because you don't have all the goodies, all the little extra notions and everything that we all love. But very nice. I like it. So let me know what you think about it, and if you get it, I'll have a link down below so that you can order it if you like the Sew Sampler boxes from FatQuarterShop. Thank you. Here's a look at the layer cake from Lori Holt. It's called Farmer's Daughter. And here's the pattern. Beautiful fabrics. Chickens. Another one with chickens and pinks. Floral, mustard color. Yeah, that'd be perfect for St. Patrick's. Green. A nice orange. Pink. Yellow with little bowls and flowers. Another green. Little bows on it. Beautiful red. I always love reds. And teals. The teal. Pretty. Pretty one. Blue. Another teal. Orange. Should have did it on the other side. Another teal. Orange. Definitely look like vintage fabrics, don't they? Yep. And then a couple background colors. Chicken, look at that. So those are going to be fun to work with. And I may end up doing that table runner, because it looks like it'd be fun using, let's see, where are they? To use these. And let me see, how many do you get to make? One pad will make 10 blocks. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, so I can make that. Let's see what